Hi. If you want to know your PC RAM physical information but do not want to open your desktop or laptop, then this video is really gonna help you a lot. We will use a simple tool. Go to Google and search for RAM Expert. Simply download it and install. It's just a couple of MBs. I have installed it. This is RAM Expert. Here you can see all the inner information of the RAM or RAMs you have used. I have 2 RAM slots. Total 16 GB of RAM, and my motherboard can take up to 32 GB. Out of 16 GB, almost 9 GB is in use. Slot 1 RAM information is here. Manufacturer, type, serial, etc. And same for the slot 2. To know all the information without this too, you would have to take your RAM from laptop or desktop. Hope this helped you a lot. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.